one likes me. No one loves me. Everybody is against me. The meaning of words are not in words. They are in us. Please subscribe my channel. Like, comment and share also. Thank you. Hello, I welcome you to my channel. This is another video in the series of my videos on mindful communication. I have given the link in the description box. You can watch them if you have missed them. I invite you to subscribe my channel because it gives me encouragement to make more valuable videos which can make a positive shift in our focus, in our energy, in our momentum, in our confidence, in our outcome. Thank you so much. No one likes me. No one loves me. Everybody is against me. No one in this city knows how to drive. Every politician is an idiot. She is never on time. I have nothing to wear. Now, these comments are not only very seldom true, but they create separation, conflicts, and so many times it shuts conversation and communication. How do you feel when you are faced with a sentence like "you never" or "you always"? I'm sure defensive, and sometimes it generates anxiety in you, and also it may cause a threat to you. No one, everyone, always, never, nothing. These words are called universal quantifiers. अब इन वर्ड्स को यदि हम ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में यूज करें जो कि यूनिवर्सल ट्रूथ हैं, जैसे sun always rises from the east, or earth always revolves around the sun, या no one is perfect, तो इन वर्ड्स का यूज करना ठीक है. लेकिन यदि हम इसे अपनी परसीव्ड रियलिटी के लिए यूज करते हैं तो यहाँ इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत है. Supposing somebody says, no one likes me, everyone is against me. इधर हम विक्टिम पोजीशन से बोल रहे हैं, और यदि हम कहें you always come late, you never listen to me, तो ये वर्ड्स हम परसिक्यूटर की पोजीशन से बोल रहे हैं. तो ये जो यूनिवर्सल इक्वलाइजर्स हैं, इन्हें यदि हम प्रॉब्लम सिचुएशन में या नेगेटिव सिचुएशन में यूज कर रहे हैं तो ये हमारे लिए हार्मफुल है. क्योंकि लाइफ में यदि कोई ऐसी सिचुएशन हुई जिससे जो भी हमारे एक्सपीरियंसेस होते हैं उसका हमारे माइंड में एक पैटर्न बन जाता है, और यदि ऐसी किसी सिचुएशन का हमारे माइंड में कोई पैटर्न बना है लेकिन इन वर्ड्स को यूज करने पर हम उस पैटर्न को और बहुत सॉलिडिफाई कर रहे हैं, हम राई का पहाड़ बना रहे हैं, और ये हमारे लिए ठीक नहीं है क्योंकि ये हमारी सेल्फ इमेज को खराब करेगा. और यदि हमारी सेल्फ इमेज खराब है तो लाइफ के किसी भी एरिया में हमारा फ्यूचर, हमारी प्रोग्रेस नहीं हो सकती, हमारा फ्यूचर ब्राइट नहीं हो सकता. इट इज मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट टू इम्प्रूव आवर सेल्फ इमेज, एंड इन सच केसेस intervention is wanted. We have to replace these dysfunctional thoughts and beliefs by empowering thoughts. And how do we do that? We do that by using those universal quantifiers as questions. Let me give you an example. If somebody says, everyone is against me, we just say everyone. Nobody likes me. Nobody. When we put those questions gently, the speaker will be aware that he or she is exaggerating, It will create a dispute in his mind, and he will understand that the situation is not that bad. वो खुद राई का पहाड़ बना रहा है. So start spotting the words. Be careful of the language pattern, not only of others, of yours also. Be careful of your own self-talk also, and take a leap from where you are to where you want to be. Thank you. See you again in my next video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share also. Thank you.